What's up, guys? George here again, your internet income ninja, and I just wanted to record a really short video tonight. Alright, so tonight I'm just going to share real quick about getting traffic to your product. So, whether in a previous video I was talking about you doing multiple streams of income, and maybe it's a case where you created a course or you have a product that you're promoting or whatnot, you have an ebook that you're trying to launch or whatever, and you just want to get some instant traffic to your product, whatever it is, a physical product, a service, anything, right? So how do you go about getting that done? Well, the quickest way to get traffic, if you don't already have a large following like on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, the quickest way to get traffic to your product is through paid traffic. And tonight I'm going to talk to you about two sources of traffic real quick. One of them, as you can see on the screen, is called Udemy. Udimi. Not to be confused with Udemy, which is another site altogether. And then the other one is called Bidvertiser. Now let's start with Bidvertiser. Bidvertiser is a paid per click platform where you pretty much set up your campaign, you create a budget, and based on the number of clicks according to your budget, that campaign will start or stop, and you would be able to generate traffic. Now with Bidvertiser, it's pretty automated, to be honest, right? So this is the interface you see when you log in. Over here you have your current balance. Mine is 0, mine is depleted. You can you can top it up. They pretty much accept PayPal and credit card. So what you do is, in order to create a new campaign, let me see real quick. Okay, right, so there's the create new campaign option over here on your right hand side. The best thing to do, in my opinion, is to create a pop-up ad. Pop under ad. What that is when someone is on the internet, say they're browsing a particular website, and let's say they land on the website, or if they are trying to find a particular website and that website is disabled or there's something wrong with it, your ad will pop up instead. Or let's say they're on a particular page and then they go back to another page, your ad will pop up. They'll see it. If it's enticing, they'll enter their information, especially if you have a funnel, an opt-in page. They'll enter their information, you capture their information, and then your page will take them through the process of looking at your product, purchasing your product, whatnot. Pop under ads start at $5 minimum daily budget, so it's a very cost-effective way of getting your product out to customers' eyes. So you'll go to create ad. Okay. The first thing that you're going to do is select what countries you're targeting. So depending on where you are, or depending on where you want to get your clientele, you will select that. So you can select the United States, which is a big country people normally target. If you want to include Canada, you would click on Canada and then click add. Let's say you wanted to do English speaking countries. You could do United Kingdom, add. But just bear in mind that if you select a specific budget amount, that amount will be shared between these countries. So, for example, if your bid amount was $10, it wouldn't be $10 for United States, $10 for Canada, and $10 for the United Kingdom, as we've added here. It would be, if X number of people from the United States click on your ad and it takes up $6, you would have $4 left for Canada and the United Kingdom. And that's just how it is. If you wanted to remove countries, you'd highlight the country by clicking on it, hit remove. If I highlighted Canada, I would click remove. So let's say we wanted to choose just the United States. You'd click next. So you want your thing to go on all websites possible. You have the option of selecting top tier websites of the highest quality. It just means that your ad will show on fewer websites. They would be targeted to specific websites that a certain quality of clicks or click-through rate or a certain number of people visit per day. So if there's a high traffic website, then chances are it will be focused on those, not necessarily every other website. So pretty much the opportunity for your site to be seen by many people would probably be reduced. However, you would be guaranteed that your traffic would be going to the highest possible quality if you were to click this. And so the quality would drop based on the number of websites. So say 90% is the highest. Before we go to all websites, in a sense the quality of your traffic would decline. But if you're stuck with the top 10, the traffic would be slower, but at least you know that the quality is higher, right? So for the sake of this example, let's say we went on all websites. We click next. Now for the US, the minimum recommended bid is 3 cents. That's right, 3 cents. So in a case like this, what you try to do is match this as best as possible, but if you wanted a higher click-through rate, then you could increase it. Let's say we went with 4 cents per click, right? You would be trying to outbid someone else who had selected 3 cents right there. Okay, so we've selected 4 cents, and let's name our ad. Let's say I already have a funnel created. Let's say Cinderella Solution. So we'll select Cinderella Solution, and what I would do is, if I had a link created already that leads to my funnel or product or store or whatnot, then I would insert that link here. So let's say I created this funnel for a particular product, and just waiting for that to come up. Okay, so let's say I wanted to promote this thing I found called Cinderella Solutions, for argument's sake. I'd copy that link, go to Bidvertiser,